Hi everyone, Lisa here from LC Designs. I have my new class for February. It's my art gallery class, and in this class you're going to make this card box and 5 cards to go with it. This will include the stamp set and the dies. You can see I've used mine quite a bit. So it's going to include the stamp set, the dies, all the materials to make this box and cards, and I'll show you the cards, and the step-by-step PDF tutorial so that you can put your projects together at home. And it's going to include a half a pack of this Art Gallery Designer Series paper. So as you can see, open the box and your cards fit in it. We have some fancy folds. This is one of them. This one, I tried to use all the stamps, you know, all the sentiments. So that way you have an assortment of cards. This one I stamped the flower on the inside as well. And this one, I added some DSP and the heart in the inside. And this one. So if you would like this class, all you have to do is email me to register. I do have the PDF only option for $15, but my PDF is actually not complete right now. I just realized it because this was one of my first classes that I created, and I went ahead and did my other 2 classes first, the snail one and the happy thoughts. So I thought my PDF was complete, but it wasn't. So I have to complete that, but I will definitely put you down for it and give you the information, you know, the link for the PDF as soon as that's available if you want to purchase the PDF. So again, this class is $60, but you're getting the stamp set, the dies, the PDF, all the materials to make the 5 cards and the box, a half a pack of DSP, and then plus the stamps and the dies. It's $8 for priority shipping if you choose to have it shipped, or you can always pick it up from me if you are local. If you have any questions, just let me know. And again, you can email me at lcdesigns1@comcast.net. Thank you guys. Have a great day and you take care. Bye-bye.